Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss some integration. Determine the possible values of a, for which the integral from 0 to a of -1 plus x squared divided by x plus 1 equals to 12. Therefore, we're going to say that the integral from 0 to a of x squared minus 1, I'm trying to rearrange this, out of x plus 1, this is equivalent to 12. So we can again say that the integral from 0 to a of, we can simplify this difference of two squares to have x minus 1, x plus 1, then divided by x plus 1. This is equal to 12. So x plus 1 simplifies with x plus 1, and now we will talk of the differential, or the integral, sorry, from 0 to 1 to a of x minus 1. Now with respect to x should give us 12. So now we are done with the denominator. We are done with the denominator, and we can carry out our integration, whereby now we will say the power of x now, which is 1. X is to power 1 in this case. Now it becomes x squared, and we divide by the new power, which is 2. And this term, which is not having x, we introduce x, so that this is now minus x. We divide by 1, then plus a constant of integration. This is being integrated. This is being integrated from 0 to a, should give us 12. Then now we can start substituting. We can begin by substituting a, so that where we have x, we put a. So now we'll have a power 3 out of 2 minus a plus c. When we subtract 0 out of 2, or 0 power 2, this is power 2, sorry, this is power 2, 0 power 2 out of 2 minus 0 plus c, we're supposed to get 12. We're supposed to get 12. Therefore, this is a squared out of 2 minus a. This is plus c minus c, and c will cancel, and we will have 12. So we can multiply through by 2, so that we have a squared minus 2a. Okay, we will have 24 here, and we can have it subtracted here, equals to 0. Therefore, because we are finding possible values of a, then it means we are going to solve this quadratic equation. Actually, we could have solved it when we had a squared minus 2a equals to 24. We can add a constant here and also a constant here, a constant which is obtained by, remember I'm trying to solve it by completing the square method. -2 over 2 squared, that becomes -1 squared, which is 1, and also 1. So we add the constant to both sides. So this is going to be a minus 1 squared. When I factorize the perfect square now, this is equals to 25. So we can carry out square root, so that a minus 1 is equivalent to plus or minus 5. Then a is going to either be 5 minus 1 becomes positive, which is 6, or a is equivalent to -5 plus 1, which makes it -4. So the two possible values of a are either 6 or -4.